It turned off. Oh. Well, it'll be part 2, won't it? You see me? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna pull out the plant. Nothing. Looks like some was gonna grow more. Oh. Check it out. Wonderful. It's so fun doing this. I think I had a mix in here. See, and that's the potato right there. The starter potato. All right, let's dig them up. See it? I hope so. It's just so much easier doing this with 2 hands. Oh. It's more. It's like finding a treasure. It's getting hot out here. Oh, there's one. Oh, there's one. And there's one. Ooh, that was gross. This is the seed, starter seed of the potato. It just gets rotted out, starts smelling. I think that's it. I'm gonna dig this up a little more over here. I don't see any more. Digging as deep as I can. All right. Now I'm gonna plant green beans in here. All right, how much can you guys see if I'm over there? Looks like you can see. I'll raise it up a little more. So I'm gonna go to the next bag. And it looks like you can see it. Sorry. There you go. All right. wow, my tomato plant needs clipped up. What the heck? Yeah, it does. Let me go get some clips. Wow. Okay. You never want your tomato plants to be on the ground. And this was on the ground. So I'm clipping them up. This one needs clipped. I'll show you what I mean. I put a clip on it. It was hanging down here. And same with this one. You just get these little clips. I got them at the dollar store. Because you want any of them hanging on the ground. This is my harvest of potatoes so far. So let's get going. Turn you around here. All right, here we go. That's huge. That is so awesome. Comes my purple potatoes. All right. Here's one. This one. They do so good in these bags. It's unbelievable. Much better than in the ground. And you can dig them up so much easier too. I feel some more. I used some blood meal and bone meal in these one time. I only did it one time. Tiny one. I didn't overdo it. The fertilizer. Wanted to get these out of here before it rained again. It's better to harvest your potato before it rains. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating. I think that's it. I don't feel anymore. I'm not seeing any signs of anymore. So I'll put this dirt back. Start on this one. Put these in the basket. You don't want to wash these at all. You wash them when you're ready to cook them. You just want to leave them alone. Here, I'll show you. Oh, sorry. So that's 3 bags, 3 growing bags of potatoes. So let's turn you around here. And let's see. I'm gonna get this bag over here. I might have to just do it. I want you guys to see it. All right, so I'm gonna pull these up. See them? These are the purple potatoes. They'll get darker later, you know, in time. They'll get darker. Look how it was growing into my tomatoes. Okay. Oh shit, that scared me. All right. Oh, I feel some more. Right in here. Now I could probably have let these grow longer, but they're getting into my tomatoes, you know. Shake the dirt off. Oh, there's one. And I'm thinking that because of these little right here, those would have turned into potatoes. So I think next time I'm going to plant my purple potatoes over here so they're not invading my tomato plants. So next year that's what I'll do. Because I think maybe purple potatoes take longer I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get any more. Oh, wait. Pontiac Reds. They do so good. Here's some more. Oh, there's a purple one. Can't beat that. Oh. Okay, I'm going to put the camera down. I'm going to put it like right here so you can see me, because I need 2 hands to do this. It's a walnut, squirrel. Say, buried. Yeah, they are. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna walk over here. Look at that. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna dig really deep. So I'll try to set you up so you can see me do it. Might be able to find more. Not feeling anymore. I feel roots, but I'm not feeling any potatoes. I'm pretty deep. I'm down almost at the bottom of the bag. I think I got them all. Okay. Oh, there's a tiny one. Oh, sorry guys. All right, one more bag. I clipped these back. Didn't work. All right. So I'm gonna get these and then I'll be done. Put these in the basket. Purple potatoes didn't do good. I'm gonna have to find out why. Last year they did. This year they're not. Whew, it's hot. It's getting hot. It's getting hotter. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. Planting bags. All right, we're gonna dig this out. See if I can get you on so you can see it. Oh, there's one hiding. All right. See if you can see me. Yeah, a little bit. Okay. Try to hurry. Well, this bag did really good with the purple potatoes. Real good. All right, let's get rid of these. All right, my tomatoes are gonna be happy. All right, dig some up. Oh. think that's it. All right. I'm gonna put the potatoes in my basket. Wow, it is hot. Try to be careful, you don't want to scar them, you know. So that's 5 planting bags of potatoes. And I have some potatoes here on the ground, and I'm really curious. So I'm gonna go get the shovel and see what I can get out of them. I'm gonna take care of all that, put it away, and go get my shovel. I'm really curious of what is planted. See, like right here, it's from last year. I got 3 plants I want to dig up. You want to stay with me, you can. And I'm gonna get rid of this mess so I can walk through and go get my shovel. Now the path. Let's go get the shovel. I'm so curious. Some more. Look how cleared out the garden is. I could actually walk back there now. You gotta have a little bit of room for potatoes. They kind of vine out. But it didn't really bother me because I knew I'd be harvesting them the time that the tomatoes are gonna be turning red. I was just kind of scared that they were invading my tomatoes, and your tomatoes need to breathe. They need air. So I don't have many weeds over here. So let's get the shovel. See what's going on over here. This is gonna really make me sweat. But sweating is good for you, right? Mike is chilling out. Okay, see if I can stand this up to where you can see me dig this up. I'm not sure. Whew, I can't breathe. Let's see. Let's see. Maybe if I put it down, you'll be able to see. Because it's right here. All right, here we go. Ground is so dry. I got one potato out of that. I don't see any more. No, wait. No, not even signs. Not even signs of the potatoes. That's pretty cool though. So let's try this one. So I'm over here now. What? There's 2 plants growing right here. Oh, check it out. Little ones. Hey, I'll take what I can get, right? Pretty cool. It's a rock. Man. All right, now I have one over here underneath the bag. So what I'm gonna have to do is move you guys. I'll put you here just for now. And I gotta move the bag, which is really heavy, and see what's under here. Here, I'll show you. Look at that. It was growing underneath the ground. So I'm gonna dig that up, see how much I have. Just give me a minute, and I'll show you. Wow, it's bright. Okay. Hey, that's a decent size, really. When you didn't even plant it this year. That could be it. Yeah, that's it. It's pretty cool, though. Pretty cool. If you leave a potato in the ground, it will grow. I'm gonna move this bag back. And like I said, I'm gonna put green beans in here. They grow fast. I'll harvest green beans probably, I would say September. That's perfect. All right, let's take my basket. Go sit down. So heavy. So I'm gonna sit here and rest, water some more, and like I said, how many bags was this? 5 bags of potatoes. Whew. It's worth it. It's worth it. So it's getting really hot out here, guys. I'm gonna say goodbye. I have 80 subscribers now. I'm so excited. I couldn't believe it. I was like, I'm gonna have 80 subscribers. So I'm gonna try to get 100 subscribers here soon. How about that? Everybody like and subscribe. Help a urban girl out. I'm not a farmer, I'm not a homesteader. I'm just steady at home because in 2020 they made us go home and work. So I made a garden during 2020. And it's been 5 years, and every year it gets easier, it gets better, it gets more fruitful. Get your hands in the dirt. Yeah, I'm grounding. And it feels good. So God bless you. Have a great day. And I'll see you later. Bye.